open your legs.
Like this?
Yes. Hermia, come. Come. Hands up. Hands up. Good. Now she's protecting you. Flex. Four. Good.
This is so nice.
Yes. She never saw you.
Boss, you should
Pet her.
take one for me like this.
Pet her.
Very nice.
Locked. That's it. Done. She's locked.
Mashlomka.
We can all come. You see? Victor, come say shalom. You see? No problem. Come from the front, Victor. You see? No problem. Now he will try to pull up a knife in the third time. You see?
Wow!
You see that? You see that?
This is
Now, wait. Victor, stand up. Go. Emil, come. Lamakum. Come. Lamakum. She continues to come protect you. Relax.
This is great.
Again,
Man.
pet her. Victor, pet Hermione. You see? You see? He can touch her nothing because he analyzed the scenario, the situation.
Oh yes, she can see the difference.
Hermione, takni.
Wow. This is great.
This is safety.
This is great, man.
Give.
This is great.
Watch out. Boom. Good. Tova.
I'm so impressed, man. You guys are doing a great job.
Right.
You're doing a